Okay. Good morning, everyone. So today we'll see important previous year questions of fractions. So these are the two important previous year questions which have come in Feb 15 and September 14. So let's see which these questions are based on which topic, and we'll solve them after. So the thing is, these two questions are based on fractions, additions and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. So the thing is, now what should be subtracted from this to get minus 2 by 3? So what should be subtracted from is this would be from this number, the question mark number has to be subtracted, nothing but minus 5 by 7 minus x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Then to bring this x on the other side, it will become plus x, and then if you bring minus 2 by 3 on this side, left side, it will become plus 2 by 3. So minus 5 by 7 plus 2 by 3. Now LCM of 7 and 3 would be 21. Now divide this 21 by the denominator 7. 7 3s are, so it's into 3. So multiply the 3 into the numerator. Minus 5 into 3 nothing but minus 15. Minus 15, then plus, then 3 7 ja, similarly 21 to be divided by 3, so 3 7 ja, so 2 into 7, 14 is equal to x. Now if you see minus 15 plus 14, minus 1 by 21, so which one is the option? Minus 1 by 21. Similarly, what should be subtracted from this to get minus 1? So similarly, minus 5 by 7 minus x is equal to minus 1. Then bring this x on the other side, it will become plus x. Bring this minus 1 on the other side, it will become plus 1, and this remains the same. Now, if there is nothing in denominator, then we consider it to be 1. The LCM of 7 and 1 would be 7. Then 7, 1 ja, so multiply minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 into 1 is nothing but minus 5. Then 1 7 ja, 7 times, so multiply the numerator with 7 plus 1 into 7, 7 is equal to x. Now minus 5 plus 7, nothing but minus 5 plus 7 is plus 2 by 7. So plus 2 by 7 is equal to x. Which option? Plus 2 by 7, option 3. Here we have another question based on fraction. Let's see. Which of the following fractions among these is greater than 1 by 2 and less than 3 by 4? Greater than 1 by 2 means what? 0.5. The number has to be greater than 0.5 and less than 3 by 4. If you convert this into decimal, you will get is what? 0.75. That is, it has to be less than 0.75. 0.75. So indirectly that number has to lie in between these two numbers. Let's see. If we convert this into decimal, what you will get is 0.8. 0.8 is more than that. So that is not possible. If you convert this into decimal, you will get is 0.7. This will come, if you just put 2 digits after decimal, if you simply see 0.70 is more than 50 and less than 0.75. So option 2 is correct. Okay, so this is another question based on fraction comparison. Let's see. The difference between the greatest and the smallest fraction amongst these four is, means what? You have to find the difference between the smallest and the greatest. Let's see. Between 6 by 7 and 8 by 9. Upon cross multiplying, 6 9 ja 54, 8 7 ja 56. So we know left side is lesser, so this is lesser, or else 8 by 9 is the max between these two. Let's see the between 8 by 9 and 9 by 10. 8 10 ja 80, 9 9 ja 81. So this is greater, so this is greater. Between 9 by 10 and the last 7 by 8. 9 8 ja 72. 10 7 ja 70. So this is greater, so this is greater. So among all these, 9 by 10 is the max one. This is the max one. And then taking the least one, we have to find the least. Between these two, 6 by 7 and 8 by 9, between 6 by 7 and 8 by 9, which one is the least? This is the least. So this is not the least one. Then between 6 by 7 and 8 by 7 by 8. Between 6 by 7 and 7 by 8. 8 6 are 48, 7 7 are 49. So this is lesser one. Means what? This fraction is the lesser one. So 6 by 7 is the least. It is asking what? The difference between the max and the least. 9 by 10 minus 6 by 7. LCM 70. So only one option there which is having the LCM 70, option third, but let's calculate. 10 7 ja 70, so 9 7 ja 63. 7 10 ja 70, so 6 10 ja 60. So what you will get is 3 by 70. Option correct is 3 by 70. Okay, so this is another question which is based on fraction on number line. Fraction or number line. So the normal thing is what? Number line is following from 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Or if you simply see minus 3 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and then 4 by minus 4 by 4. Similarly, go on, plus 4 by 4, and so on. Nothing but it follows in this direction. It reduces till 0 and then starts increasing in the positive direction. Then similarly, so let's see that. So what is saying that which of the following number does not lie between this? So minus 5 by 6 is somewhere on the number line, and 7 by 8 positive number. Obviously this is 0, one is behind 0 and one is ahead 0, and it's saying that which number does not lie between somewhere. Any of these options is lying somewhere beyond this or beyond that. So that option we need to find out. Let's see. To know that, let's convert this into like fraction. So by converting this like fraction, we get is what? Multiplying by 8, dividing by 8. What you get is minus 40 by 48. Here what you get is into 6 divided by 6. So what you get is 42 divided by 48. Similarly, converting all the options. So what you get is minus 34 by 48. If you simply see in the first option only, our number in the right, it has to decrease. Means what? Minus 42, minus 39, minus 38, minus 37. Similarly, it has to decrease. Somewhere minus 34 will be in the middle only. Somewhere here only. Then coming to 5 by 6. If we multiply to convert this, to make this into like fractions, multiplying and dividing by 8, what you get is 5 8s are 40, down 48. So our option is 40. It will be decreasing backward, 41, 40. It will be in the range of this, in between this number only. Coming to third option, multiplying with what? To make it 48, what you need to multiply is nothing but 12. So 4 into 12 you will get is 48, and then into 12 is nothing but minus 36. So if we simply see minus 36, again this number will be minus 37, somewhere lying between. It will be going on decreasing. So minus 36 will be somewhere here only. Fine. Coming to fourth, into 4 divided by 4. So what you will get is minus 44 divided by 48. If you simply see, minus 44 is going beyond this. it will be decreasing in number with the sign negative and increasing in the left side. So minus 44 is going to be beyond this, and so it does not lie between those two numbers. Okay, so this is another set of questions. So these two questions are based on fractions, division, and that too mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So the thing is, mixed fraction is nothing but a b by c, or else, for example, you can take it as 2 1 by 3. That is nothing but 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. So what we do is, we multiply the cross and add the numerator, and denominator remains to be the same. Then fraction division. Coming to fraction division, a by b divided by c by d. I can write this as a by b into d by c. So in case of fraction division, the fraction reverses itself and kept in the multiplication. So let's see. How many packets of 1 by 16 kg sugar can be made from 3 1 by 4 kg? And this question has come in December 18. So how many packets of 1 by 16 kg can be made is, each packet is containing 1 by 16 kg. Fine. And totally how many weight do we have? What is the total weight of sugar we have? 3 1 by 4 kg. So that is nothing but 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 divided by 1 by 16. We just now seen that I can write this as 13 by 4 into this 1 by 16 I can write in reverse. So 16 by 1. Cancelling 4 4s are 16. So what is the answer? 13 into 4, 52. So where is the option? Option 1, 52. Look at the second question now. So the second question is coming in July 19, just previous year. So how many quarters are there in 18 3 by 4? So this is the number 18 3 by 4. And how many are there means divided by quarter. Now what is quarter? Is nothing but 1 by 4. So nothing but 18 4 ja 72 plus 3 75 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. I can write this as 75 by 4 into 1 by 4 will come in reverse. 4 by 4 and 4 cancel. So what is the answer? 75. Okay, so this is another question which has come in July 19. So let's say this question. A beaker is 3 by 7 filled with water. Another 16 liter of water is needed to fill the beaker to its brim. What is the capacity of the beaker? So there is a beaker. Fine. It says that this is its brim. Fine. Now what is saying that it is filled with up to what? 3 by 7th part. So let's take, if I divide this in equal 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is filled with what? Up to 3 by 7. 1, 2, 3. It is filled with up to here. It is filled with up to here. Fine. Then another 16 liter of water is needed to fill the beaker to its brim. Now means what? This is the empty part, and it's saying that another 16 liter is required to fill up to the brim. Nothing but this part is what? 16 liter. Fine. So let's see. If we take X as the total capacity. Fine. X as the total capacity. Now water in this part will be what? 3 by 7th of X. If X is the total capacity, then the amount of water in this part will be 3 by 7x. Now, what is this part? Nothing but x minus 3 by 7 of x. So, what will come? Nothing but 7x minus, because there is nothing but means 1. So, 7x minus 3x, 4x by 7. This part is nothing but 4x by 7. That is equal to 16. Fine. So, nothing but what? 4x is equal to 16 into 7. x is equal to 16 into 7 by 4. 4 4 ja cancel. So 7 4 ja 28 liter. So x is what? The total capacity? No. X is the total capacity. So I is asking what? What is the capacity of the beaker? The total capacity of the beaker is nothing but answer 28 liter. Okay, so this is one more question which has come in December 19, which is based on fractions only, but it contains more and more words. It looks very lengthy. The one thing you need to understand is, if the question is very lengthy, the solving part will be that easy only. Only thing is you need to read the whole information carefully so that you can do it. Fine. So it says that 1/6 of the trees in a garden are neem. Neem is equal to what? 1/6. Let x be the total trees. Then what? Neem tree will nothing but 1/6 of the x part. Then half of the trees are Ashoka trees. Ashoka is how much? Half. And the remaining are eucalyptus trees. If the number of neem tree is what? 5. Is saying what? Neem tree is equal to what? 5. Means what? 1/6 of x is equal to 5. Implies x is equal to what? 6 into 5? 30. Means what? In that garden, totally 30 trees are there. Fine. Now, if you see, neem trees are what? How many? 5. And he's saying that half of the trees are what? Ashoka tree. So out of the total, half are how much? Half are Ashoka. So totally Ashoka is how much? 15 trees are Ashoka. Remaining are what? Eucalyptus tree. So name 5, Ashoka 15. Totally 20. Subtracting. So 10 are what? Remaining are only eucalyptus trees. So remaining 10 trees are eucalyptus tree. Question is, if the number of neem trees, how many eucalyptus trees are there in the garden? Answer 10. Okay, so this is another question based on fractions. This is from Feb 16 exam. So let's see. Sonu has 5 dozens of toffees. He gave 1/3 of these to Anita, 2/5 of these to Anil, and 1/12 of these to Hamida. The number of toffees left with Sonu is, so how many toffees he is having? 5 dozen. Means nothing but 5 into 12, 60 toffees he is having, because we know 1 dozen nothing but 12 items. So 5 into 12, 60 toffees he is having. Then he is giving off 1/3 of it to Anita. So 1/3 of 60 is how much? 20. He gave it to Anita. Then he gave it off 2/5 of the total to Anil. 2/5 of total is nothing but 5 12 ja. So 12 2 ja 24. Then 1/12 of this to Hamida. He also gave to Hamida, and that to 1/12 of the how much he is having. So 12 5 is a 60. He gave 5 toffees to Hamida. Totally to all 3 persons, how many he gave it off? 5 4 9 2 2 4. He gave off 49 toffees. Then how many toffees he is living with? 60 minus 49. 10 minus 9 1, 5 minus 4 1. He is left with 11 toffees.